tình quê hương con tim này
திருக்குறள் அதிகாரம் 3 நீத்தார் பெருமை.
Thế giới nằm trong sự hiểu biết của người thấu hiểu các đặc tính của vị giác, thị giác, xúc giác, thính giác và khứu giác. சுவையொளி ஊறு ஓசை நாற்றம் என ஐந்தின் வகை தெரிவான் கட்டே உலகு. The world is within the knowledge of him who knows the properties of taste, sight, touch, hearing and smell.
Thirukkural, translated into 64 languages, more than 350 individual translations, 143 different renderings in English alone.
சுவை, ஒளி, ஊறு, ஓசை, நாற்றம் என்று சொல்லப்படும் ஐந்தின் வகைகளையும் ஆராய்ந்து அறிய வல்லவனுடைய அறிவில் உள்ளது உலகம்.
Thirukkural Vietnamese translation is brought to you by Business English with Bala, Vietnam வீடு Business Group.